squeak in the car. You can hear it. It's really that squeak. Like, I'm thinking it's coming from this on here. We'll see. So I'm going to use first, it's a WD-40. I guess. Okay. If I got that all of it, I'm gonna have to. That should be good. I don't even know what this one is for. Wipe it. Okay, so that's it for this WD-40. Oops. I'm gonna try and wipe off that thing from the WD-40. Fixes that. Not even lubing it. Oh my gosh. It is fantastic. Okay, but I'm still gonna lube it anyway. So awesome, it doesn't squeak anymore. But I'm still gonna lube it. But I just also wanna like make sure that I grease it also. I should also like lube the other ones too. So I'm gonna use this white lithium grease.